The truck is the gym.
It is gym. Oh. Ooh. Still 77 degrees out. Leadfoot City, and we're ready to rip basically the new car. We have a whole new rear end setup in there with Y-Swap, upgraded to some Willwood brakes, both for the hydro and foot pedal, and I'm so excited to see what this thing feels like. I love coming out here at Leadfoot City. There's a ton of room, and it's a magical skid pad because there's a lot of grip. Somehow it's better on tire wear, and the testing here actually translates to the average of any other track. So I'm really excited to let her eat and have some fun.
First official test of the season. Let's see how she does. She's gonna be grippy. Let's see how grippy.
First 2 laps feel so good. I just love this car so much. It's absolutely my happy place. I want to make a big drop down in pressure. We started about our average, and I just wanted to go real freaking low, see how it feels, and just keep turning some laps. So I'm not going to make any alignment changes. We have just our typical front rear toe on the car right now. I want to just kind of max out pressure, and then from there start making some alignment changes. But this car is so good. I do wish already, like, I wish that I would have driven it with the old setup on it more recently, just to have like an immediate back-to-back comparison. The car feels fluid. Like, I do maybe feel like I'm getting more feedback somehow, you know, from the car, and it just feels really good and connected to the ground. But because it's been actually like quite a while since I drove this car on the stock trailing arm, I don't have a direct comparison, but she did, and we gripping it.
Dude, this is insane. That's so
I can get closer though.
sick, dude. How long have you been shooting videos?
Oh, since 1998.
How did you start?
Skateboarding.
You know what? I think that's everybody's story.
Yeah.
Nice. What did you start on?
A lot of, yeah, it was a Sony Handycam high 8mm.
Sick. And what are you on today?
This is a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K.
So far, good. We haven't even unlocked all the grip yet. We just lowered the tire pressure to 10 psi. Well, we're at 17, so let's see what 7 psi does to her.
So did we like the tire pressure?
Yeah, I just need more.
What do you mean?
We're just gonna make a toe change right now and then go back out.
Alright.
Kind of already blew off the tire, so we're gonna get a fresh set and more aggressive toe.
Getting it.
Give it a little bit of.
Oh,
Yeah.
did you throw it? Oh no, you were strong.
You can do a row.
There you
That
go.
count?
There you go.
How was that?
You missed the shenanigans over here.
No, Colette can do it.
All right. Oh wait, that's kind of heavy. I don't even know if I can do that.
Yeah, there you
Oh.
Yeah!
I'll say straight arm down. That's, oh wow, that's gotta be, I didn't realize these weighed that much. Cause I can curl 30. So those things weigh, that doesn't weigh 40 pounds.
What do you mean? There's no way.
You just be throwing around weights out here without even knowing
This
it.
is 30. Wait, no, you can't.
Oh
put
no,
it
that's
there.
way heavier. I can do 30.
That's a full weight. That's what she
That's
did.
what I'm saying, so this has to
she
be like
did
50.
this weight.
I mean,
Dude,
in general.
we can do competitions like this right now.
Yeah.
You
just
take
like,
both and you do like a carry?
Yeah, like that.
Don't rip the nozzle out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah!
Oh, and then you have to like clean this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Hey, we can
We
get
don't want you
there.
getting hurt now.
Yeah.
Yeah. We say we can form a gym at the shop.
Yeah, we are gonna form a gym at the shop.
Give
We
us
can-
really good recommendations. 'Cause we want to do like a whole hit circuit with tires.
I appreciate
jugs
you
now.
backing that up. See, people say, oh, you should go to the gym. It's like, dude, the shop
Yeah,
is the
it
gym.
is gym. It is gym.
Shop is gym.
Shop is gym. Since last time I've been here, there is now multiple full bars and food that they have during their events here, which is sick. In that other building, the arcade is all new. They have the crazy cart area, and then now like the axe throwing and games in the big arena up there is also new. Oh yeah, and the whole off-road section is also new, so that was really cool.
Yep, little pit here.
And there's so much more room to expand as well. I think eventually they're putting in a lake. You know, why not? Do lake activities, but all the updates, we'll keep you posted as they come in. I suck at crazy cars. fun fact, I've only ever tried a crazy kart, I think once,
Yep.
and I gave up. And this was like 5 years ago. Telling me that you're really good at this. Okay, Victoria's lying because she once told me that she was the champion of all the real drifters.
I did.
That were out of place, in a place.
The girls. It was a girls' race, and I, no offense, whooped them.
Okay.
I said.
You did great. That was my first real crazy car experience. I've only ever tried once, and then everyone else was just so good that I just stopped. Like I just couldn't figure it out. That was my first time, and first Tandies with Vic. Yeah. Alright, that is a wrap at our testing at Leadfoot City. I'm so happy with this car. Like, immediately found a great setup that's very neutral. I don't want to make too many changes here, making the car like insane gripped up and super aggressive, because obviously this is a mini Atlanta track, and when it goes to a much bigger track, that might make the car do things I don't want it to. So I love what I'm feeling. Car feels amazing. I am pumped for Atlanta. I'm gonna be putting in the time on the sim, which that will be another video coming up after this, is the final update on my sim setup. And now I'm even more pumped to do lap after lap after lap in prep for the first FD race of the season. We got a lot of fun stuff done out here as well. In addition to testing the new car, Victoria's testing her new rigs, new drone. We got Jared on the new fancy camera as well. So we got a lot done today, and just stoked to be able to come out here and do this and have such a great facility to just send it as hard as we can here. That is it for this one. Let me know what you guys think of the new rig and the new gear, and I'll see you